Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the date and time format for your presentations and diagrams on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you need to do is add or navigate to the top menu at the top in your Lucidchart diagram by clicking these three dots or three lines here. And from that menu, hover your mouse over Insert, and here hover your mouse over Date and Time. You may also navigate to create a date and time if you have already added, for example, a text box with that format. Now, to set the date and time as default for that specific document here, select the date and time format here to the right. Like we will see, for instance, the AM PM time format they use, for example, in the United States, or for example, European time formats with 4 in the morning or 16 o'clock in the afternoon, various date formats with the month, the day, and the year, and vice versa, and so on and so forth. So select it. Now, as you can see, that feature is not available for all account statuses. I can't use that feature now, but if you have access to that feature, guys, this is how you can customize the date and time format for your documents on Lucidchart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.